Turas means journey in Irish. Not only has it been a journey into a language that the majority of people from within the Unionist community have never had the opportunity to engage with, it's turned out to be a journey of healing and a journey of reconciliation. I was part of a cross-community women's group. We did a 6-week taster in the Irish language. Hitch me and leis in teanga. I fell in love with the language, and it was a real eye-opener that this language had been around me all my life. Now, that wouldn't have been a big deal, except my husband was the leader of the Progressive Unionist Party at the time, and a journalist got the hold of the story. That's how it got off the ground. What started as one class became 2, 3, 4, 5, and it just grew and grew and grew. We register about 300 people a year for classes, all ages, all backgrounds, all abilities. The majority have started off in bunrang and beginners, but now we have 9 people studying at university. We have our own library, our own lower land. We have our own singing group. We have a tourism project which looks into the Gaelic history in East Belfast. And last year we started our own integrated Irish medium nursery school. The knee skull for many years was a pipe dream. We started to become interested in the benefits of bilingualism and immersive education, and we saw what was happening not only in other parts of Northern Ireland but in Scotland and in Wales, and we wanted this as well. But not everybody likes what we do, and many of my learners were very nervous about learning Irish in case they faced criticism or even intimidation. So I thought when they heard this they might all scurry home and not come back, but actually the opposite happened. They turned up en masse and said, no, this is important to us. Not only have we survived, we have thrived, and we've now become one of the largest Irish language centres in Belfast. I've watched so many people who cautiously come into Turas and they're a little bit nervous. And then, you know, after a few classes and a few cups of tea and a few conversations, the next thing you look and they're at home and they're part of it and they belong here. At the break, at the sus, people are exchanging little tips and little new bits of language. We're not just a language learning organisation, we are a community of Irish language speakers and learners. This is a journey that I started on my own, but now there's hundreds of us.